Are free NFTs the future? In this video, we will look at how you can give away NFTs for free and still make money. People all over the world have been making money producing NFTs without selling them. If you're not sure your audience will be ready for crypto, or worried about people thinking that NFTs are a scam and you have concerns about being exploited because the floor price of your NFT drops, this totally solves that problem. This might be the safest way to introduce your audience to NFTs and profit from them. There are already signs that this is what bigger brands will start doing once they realize the potential of the new technology. There's a reason NFTs are generating a lot of buzz. It's because we're approaching the dawn of a new era in marketing. NFTs will be seen as an income generator when applying the 80-20 rule that 80% of sales come from 20% of clients/fans. In the business world, you get more attention from those who spend a lot of money with you because they're your best customers. This means providing quality service to them because, essentially, their loyalty will always be front and center. If you bought a Bored Ape, not only do you now have a near $1 million crypto asset, but a free mutant as well. The mutant you received for free is now worth 100 grand and the dog is at least 30 grand. Holding non-fungible tokens can be rewarding for token holders, who can receive value back without having to sell their tokens. Many artists have spoken about the pressure to move the floor price of their NFTs. Instead of making the NFT a high-value collectible, the artist provides exclusive utility to holders. The NFT is technically worthless, but this is a selling point because it solves the problem of onboarding people into the space. Brands are attracted to this method for marketing purposes because they can create the NFTs on platforms like Polygon, which has very low gas fees. You can even write the contract so the NFT creator pays the gas. All people need to do to claim the fee-free NFT is download MetaMask or another wallet. They don't need any crypto at all because it's covered by the creator. Gas fees are low on Polygon, so you may only spend around $100 to get your NFT project launched. This gives you an opportunity to invite your most loyal and top clients or fans to receive this NFT. You send them a video that walks them through the setup in case they are not crypto savvy. This is where you start adding value. You can give these loyal customers access to your content by simply confirming their ownership and granting permission. Your NFT can allow people to gain access to online events, get exclusive airdrops or act as a VIP pass for services. Access can be limited to the NFT holders, which means they can skip queues and get priority service. The idea is that this NFT rewards people with experiences using digital items. As we move more into a metaverse-based future, the NFT will be appreciated by your selected holders. The 20% of your customers that make up 80% of your business will decide to remain loyal another year, which increases their spending even further, which will really affect your profits. In the Web3 world, it's expected that digital marketing will shift from content marketing to things like NFTs for a more personalized experience and customer acquisition strategy. NFT owners will feel like insiders as they have exclusivity. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon too, to get notified every time we drop new videos and content on the channel. You can also tap the like button, share the video with someone who you think it may benefit. And if you're feeling very kind, maybe drop a comment below, it does help us out.